Sigi. He was named People Magazine's Sexiest Chef Alive. And he's here on our show with some Filipino recipes from his restaurant, NYC restaurant. It's NYC restaurant. It's called Sigi.
That's right.
Yeah. How long has that been open?
3 years.
Okay, because the last time that you were here was how long ago?
That was like a year and a half
Probably,
ago.
yeah.
See, why am I taking so long to come back?
Oh, are you related to Mario Lopez?
That's what people say. People say that I look like him.
He's so cute, too.
Thank you.
Let's cook.
Okay, yeah, let's cook. Okay, so here's what we have. I have two of my most favorite dishes from my restaurant. You got my dan-dan noodles, really spicy, so be careful when I make it.
Okay.
And then my California burrito, inspired from my California upbringing.
Okay.
You want to get to cooking?
Yes, you cook.
Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you what's up. All right. So really quick, be careful. It's really spicy, so I don't,
Trying to avoid this raw yolk. I don't want a bird hatching in my throat. That's the only thing.
Okay.
I have no appreciation
So
for raw yolk.
it's okay. It's okay. So look, ready? You have 3 different types of chilies. You got some sriracha chili right here for that, if you like that spice. Some more spice, Szechuan chili.
Very good.
Yeah. And then right here, you got some sambal chili, also delicious.
Okay.
Okay, spice on spice on spice.
But you want to know what? And you know I love it spicy.
What?
This is not killing me.
No, it's like
good.
It's a good flavor, good spice there.
I hate it when it's spicy for no reason.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Okay, so right here, very easy. Mix up all of these together. Oops. Okay. Once you have that, look at that nice little mix that you got there. See how delicious
Ramen
that
noodles.
is?
Take me back to college.
I know. So here's the thing. I grew up on ramen noodles, so I want to like elevate it and in a way that I can sell it to people, recognize what's up. Okay. So.
Is it what was that you put in?
Okay, so this right here is ground beef and ground pork.
Okay.
So it's delicious.
Okay.
And then right here, you got the noodles that everyone here has had. I'm sure everyone's had some of those delicious noodles. Look at that. Okay.
That is so very good.
Scallions right here. Toss it up. And then...
Listen, where'd you learn how to cook?
So my dad's a chef, right?
Oh.
And my mom's a model and actress, so I kind of was meant to be
Wow.
on TV.
Yeah, you are.
So, look at that. And there you have it. Fried egg on top.
Very nice. Now,
Voila.
Now, at the restaurant, would you get insulted if I said, can you make it, make the yolk a little bit better? Because I love a fried egg.
No, not at all. 'Cause listen.
Yolk hard.
I like to make food for the people, All right, so, but look, check this out.
What is that?
This right here, this is my special right here. This is my California burrito. Okay. Like, everyone loves French fries.
Yeah.
So what you do is you take the French fries and you put it into the burrito.
Okay, go ahead.
So watch this, ready? French fries, right on.
Oh my gosh, it really is French
There's
fries.
French fries in the burrito. Then you take like a guacamole pico de gallo sour cream mix. You got onion, jalapeno, sour cream, lemon, and avocado.
The meat is so...
Yeah, so there's pork.
Tender.
There's pork belly and chicken. I just gave you some chicken in there.
Thank you.
Then right here, some tomatoes, and then of course you got to have the actual meat: melted cheese, pork belly, and
This is
chicken.
delicious and perfectly seasoned. What is that?
So this is like a guacamole sour cream mix. It's delicious, and it has like try it. It's good. It's good, right? And then what you do is you just take it here, fold it up nice and tight, and then you got to toast the seal right here. And then what you end up having is a nice kind of toasted burrito.
Where are you located in the city?
So I'm on West 10th and Hudson in the West Village. And, my goal is it's like a small Filipino taqueria. And what I want to do is I want to introduce Filipino food to like the American masses. So it's never been done before, but, Filipino food. I'm Filipino, gotta represent.
And we're the masses. This is very good.
Is that right?
Are you single?
I'm spoken for, but I will say, I got my family members, my uncles, my brothers,
Yeah.
a bunch of us that look like this. So.
But that's okay. That's okay.
And look at that.
That's good too.
See?
I have to say, this is very, very delicious. If you want more information on these recipes, go to wendyshow.com. Jordan, thank you so much for being
Thank you
here.
for having me.